Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet this medium size rose flower. So for this project, I am using 4mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. I'm using orange yarn. You can use any color you want. So let's get started. At first, make a slip knot. Then make chain 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have made 61 chain. Now make more 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Skip 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make 1 double crochet. Now skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the V stitch. We have to make all the V stitch around. So skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make 3 chain and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So we have to make the V stitch and have to left the space, double crochet space. So the pattern is skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain and make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So continue all around up to end. Now in the last, skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the last chain. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in the same. So these all are the V stitches. Now make the petal. So make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Turn the work. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 5 double crochet in same in the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is 6 double crochet. Now make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Make 6 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make single crochet in this gap. So we have to make 6 double crochet in this first V-stitch and then make 8 double crochet up to end, but we have to leave these last 2 V-stitches. So make 8 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. Make 8 double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So continue 8 double crochet in each V stitches, but don't work in this last 2 V stitch. Now in the last there is left 2 V stitches, so we will make 10 double crochet in this last 2 V stitch. So make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make single crochet in this gap. Now make 10 double crochet in this last V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now give a knot. Keep the make the long yarn and then cut it. So the pattern is, first make 6 double crochet in this first 2 V stitches, then make 8 double crochet in each V stitches all around, and in this last 2 V stitch make 10 double crochet. So continue like this. Now fold the rows like this. Now turn the work and stitch all the layers together like this. So this is the rose. Thanks for watching.